Dear children, welcome to all of you in English class. Hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear children, today we will solve the comprehension passages of chapter 3, that is the desert, of your supplementary book, that is An Alien Hand. Dear children, as you know that these days we are doing textbook comprehension passages of your supplementary book. The learning objective is that after doing comprehension passages, you will be able to answer questions orally and in writing on a variety of texts. Let's start. The first comprehension passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Dear children, first we read this passage and understand briefly. Thereafter, we solve the questions of this passage. Those of us who live in regions covered with forests and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. जो लोग उन जगहों में रहते हैं जो जंगलों से ढके हों और पहाड़ों से घिरे हों, उन्हें यह कल्पना करना कठिन होता है कि रेगिस्तान वास्तव में कैसा होता है. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. लोकप्रिय विश्वास है कि यह एक रेत का अनंत भाग है जहां बारिश नहीं होती है और इसलिए वहां वनस्पति भी नहीं उगती. It is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. यह शुष्क, गर्म, बिना पानी के और बिना छाया वाला क्षेत्र है. But this is not entirely correct. परंतु यह पूर्ण सत्य नहीं है. For those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. जिन्होंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा है, उनके अनुसार रेगिस्तान एक सुंदर स्थान हो सकता है. It is the home of a variety of people, animals and plants that have learned to live under hot and dry conditions. यह विभिन्न प्रकार के लोगों, जानवरों और पौधों का घर है जिन्होंने गर्म और शुष्क परिस्थितियों के अनुसार जीना सीख लिया है. True, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants and trees as it is in other climates. यह सही है, जमीन अन्य मौसमों की तरह घास, पौधों और पेड़ों से हमेशा ढकी नहीं रह सकती. But whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom and the sight can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. परंतु जब भी वर्षा होती है, जो दुर्लभ है, रेगिस्तान फूल खिलते हैं और प्रकृति एक सुंदर उष्णकटिबंधीय बगीचे की तरह दिखाई देती है. Dear children, I hope you understand this passage. Now, let's solve the questions of this passage. What is our popular belief about a desert? The answer of this question is, the popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. Now, second question. According to those who have studied it, what a desert is really like? The answer of this question, for those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. Now, third question. Name the lesson from which this passage has been taken. The answer of this question is, this passage has been taken from the lesson The Desert. Now, fourth question. Can a desert be a home for animals and plants? Answer of this question, yes, a desert can be home for animals and plants. Now, dear children, let's go to passage number 2. Similarly, first we read this passage and understand briefly. Thereafter, we solve the questions of this passage. All living things need water in order to survive. सभी जीव जंतुओं को जीवित रहने के लिए पानी की जरूरत होती है. The few plants and animals that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. कुछ पौधे और जानवर जो मरुस्थल में रहते हैं वह अन्य पौधों और जानवरों के मुकाबले कम पानी का प्रयोग करना सीख जाते हैं। द कैमल, popularly known as the ship of the desert, can drink a lot of water at one time. ऊंट, जो लोकप्रिय रूप से मरुस्थल का जहाज के रूप में जाना जाता है, वह एक समय में बहुत पानी पी सकता है। Camels can do without water for days together. ऊंट बिना पानी के कई दिन तक रह सकता है। The reason is they sweat very little. इसके कारण उसे पसीना कम आता है। We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. हमें पसीना इसलिए आता है क्योंकि हमें अपने शरीर के तापमान को स्थिर रखना होता है। We sweat when it gets hot and this cools the body. हमें पसीना आता है जब हम गर्म हो जाते हैं और यह हमारे शरीर को ठंडा करता है। Camels can stand high body temperature. ऊंट शरीर के अधिक तापमान में भी खड़ा रह सकता है। They don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. उन्हें पसीने की जरूरत नहीं होती और इसलिए वह लंबे समय तक पानी को भी बचाकर रख सकते हैं। The smaller desert animals do not drink water. छोटे मरुस्थलीय जानवर पानी नहीं पीते। They burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. वे दोपहर को गर्मी में बिल में चले जाते हैं और रात को भोजन के लिए बाहर निकलते हैं। Some of them eat other animals and get water they need from the moisture in the meat. कुछ दूसरे जानवरों को खाते हैं और उनके मांस से प्राप्त वाष्प से अपने पानी की जरूरत को पूरा करते हैं। Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. दूसरे जानवर पौधे और बीज खाते हैं और पौधों के रस से अपनी पानी की जरूरत को पूरा करते हैं। Dear students, I hope you understand this passage. Now, let's solve the questions of this passage. The first question of this passage is, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? The answer of this question is camel is known as the ship of the desert. Now, second question, what is the unique feature of ship of the desert? The answer of this question is the camel can drink a lot of water at one time and sweat very little. It can do without water for days together. Now, third question, why do we sweat? The answer of this question is we sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. Now, fourth question, how do small animals manage in desert? The answer of this question is small desert animals burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. Animals gets moisture from the meal they eat or from seeds and plant juices. Now, last question of this passage, what is the basic need of all living things in order to survive? The answer of this question is all living things need water in order to survive. So, dear students, these are the two passages of this chapter, that is the desert. I hope you understand these passages very well. Dear students, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet after seeing this video so that you can make more understanding about these comprehension passages. Thank you. Be happy and safe.